Welcome back to Car Operation, your go-to channel for the latest and most detailed vehicle reviews. Today, we're diving into a complete review of the Do Safar Do Teen Al Ghazi 480 tractor, a 65 horsepower workhorse that's built to deliver reliable performance in the agricultural sector. If you're looking for a strong, dependable tractor for your farming needs, this video is for you. Let's start with the exterior. The Al Ghazi 480 2023 model maintains its traditional and rugged design, which is perfect for withstanding rough terrain and continuous fieldwork. Its bold front grille, classic headlamp design, and steady metal fenders reflect its no-nonsense approach to durability. It's not flashy, but it's built to last. The body is constructed with high-quality steel that can easily handle long hours in dusty and muddy environments. The rear has powerful lifting arms capable of handling a variety of farming tools and implements, and the tire setup offers great grip in field conditions, whether it's plowing, tilling, or towing. Moving on to the interior, the Al Ghazi 480 offers a functional and minimalistic cabin space. This isn't a luxury setup, but it's practical for a tractor of this class. The driver's seat is adjustable and padded for comfort during long hours of operation. The dashboard layout is simple, with clearly labeled gauges for RPM, oil pressure, temperature, and fuel level. Everything is within easy reach of the driver, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted operation in the field. There's a basic sunshade canopy that provides some protection from the sun, which is a welcome feature during hot days. While it doesn't come with air conditioning or a sealed cabin, its open design keeps the operator connected to the environment and gives good visibility in all directions. Now let's talk about performance. The 65 HP engine in the Al Ghazi 480 is powered by a robust diesel unit that's well known for its fuel efficiency and torque output. It performs exceptionally well in tasks like plowing, water pumping, and hauling. The engine response is strong, and it delivers power evenly across all RPM ranges. The tractor is equipped with a strong gearbox that includes 8 forward and 2 reverse gears, allowing the operator to select the right speed for various farming tasks. It also features an efficient hydraulic system with good lifting capacity, and the PTO delivers stable power output for attachments. On rough terrain, it holds its ground firmly, and its steering remains steady, even under load. As of Ali Do Safar Do Punch, the price of the Do Safar Do Teen Al Ghazi 480 in Pakistan ranges between 21,50,000 Pakistani rupee to 2,300,000, depending on the dealer and region. Considering its performance and reliability, this is a competitive price in the 65 HP category. Thanks for watching Car Operation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next one.